vibes. We'll be out here tonight. Got a ball game with a chain on, 100,000 on the chain. I ain't even gonna lie. You gotta be making real deal money to be out here, you heard? I know you hear that lifestyle crowd out here. I know you hear the music. Hell yeah. But shit, if you wanna be living out here, yo, you gotta be making like minimum 30 to 50K to be balling out here. So say if I got a girl out here, man, these niggas out here come steal my girl, bro. I can't compete with these niggas right now, but I am in the future though for sure.